long enough to trigger a letdown. And one way to get past that is by using a big 2-ounce needleless syringe. And this is a 5 French feeding tube, and these are made to go in through noses and mouths, so they have a nice blunt end, and the hole to them are down here and here, not at the very end. And this can be used either through a nipple shield, if you're using one of those. You can literally push it through just about 1/4 of an inch. And then you would put on the nipple shield as usual onto your breast and use it that way. Now, once you've got this set up, you can take this off and you can draw up from either a bag or a cup the volume of supplement that you're using. And then you can attach it to here. A lot of moms will hook them to their bra strap, just setting it underneath and letting gravity do it, like that. So then you've got this on here, on your breast, and then you would hold and latch the baby on as normal and feed. Now, if you're not using the nipple shield currently, if the baby will still latch to the bare breast, then you can latch the baby on as normal and then thread this tiny tube just right into the corner of their mouth, right along inside by the big fat pad in their inside of their cheek. You can also press the syringe a little bit if the baby slows down to help the baby nurse long enough to trigger a letdown. Some people prefer to just hold on to it and set it down, putting just a little bit of gentle pressure on the plunger of the syringe to keep the baby nursing. So you can also do this in the football hold if that's easier too for you to see. If the baby's in the football hold, you can see into their mouth a little bit easier, and that can make it easier to get that tiny tube into the corner of their latched mouth. And most moms use this until they trigger a letdown, and then you can simply pull the tube out of the corner of their mouth and let them feed the rest of the feed from the bare breast if they'll do it. And then if they start to balk again, you can slide it back into the corner of their mouth. And the sooner you start this, the sooner the baby will get better at breastfeeding, and you'll be able to use this less and less often or wean from it altogether. If you have any questions or concerns, you should always check with your healthcare providers, and they should be able to help you work through any other problems with it.